Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this LED canopy light for reviewing purposes. First thing we see is the proper installation guide, which I think that it's pretty nice. You get the base plate so you can install it upon the ceiling directly, or you can install it into a pole, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, so you can see this is the main unit, and in here you get the wires to do the proper wiring, and in here we also get the caps for twisting the wires and making sure that it's a safe connection, which I think that is nice. It seems like a pretty simple installation, so let's go ahead and start installing it. I'm going to be installing it right here at my office, so let's go. Okay guys, the proper installation process is actually really simple, and I think that it's great because, as I've said, you get two different options to install it. It can be installed in a piping mount, which I think that it's nice, or directly upon the ceiling as I'm gonna be installing it. I think that it's nice because it also has a 140 degrees light angle, which I think that it's really nice, and it's IP65 waterproof, meaning that it's corrosion resistant and heat resistant. Another thing that it's nice is that the main body it's made of die-cast aluminum, which can help for a rapid heat dissipation, making it really nice. And as I've said, it can be placed outdoors, indoors, wherever you need it, and it can work from temperatures ranging from -4 degrees up to 130 degrees. I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's really nice because you can see it's a very bright light, which I think that it's perfect for any kind of garage or space that you want to place it, indoors, outdoors, wherever you need it. I think that it's going to be really nice. As I've said, it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything or damaging at all if you place it outdoors. And overall, because it's really nice, really easy to set up, I would really recommend it. See you guys.